Lakhs of students across the country would make a crucial career decision of their lives during the next couple of months. Many would be deciding about their professional courses, while a few would be deciding about the stream in +2. Any curious observer is likely to see a herd mentality in action, which we have been witnessing year after year during engineering admissions. G Se Jeet Tak is a game-changer campaign to be flagged off by Radha Sai IIT, which will see experts in the field talk about G and the challenges. Parents are appealed to join in the interactive session to bring out questions and have an expert question-answer session chaired by the highly acclaimed panelists and renowned Bollywood actor, eminent speaker and author Soha Ali Khan, along with Mr. Sai Prasad, CEO, Radha Sai IIT 2018. Actress Soha Ali Khan, an Oxford graduate who pursued a master's degree from London School of Economics and Political Science, shared about her father Mansoor Ali Khan of Pataudi and talked about why G Se Jeet Tak was so important in a student's life.
I will be very happy to share my journey with those who are interested. I feel that my life has been somewhat unique. A lot of people think that it's easy when you're born into a family of actors. My brother is an actor, my mother is an actor, and that I chose to be an actor. And I chose the easy path, the easy way out. But a lot of people don't know that actually I struggled with that decision for a long time. I think, when you want your own sense of identity, मुझे लगा उस टाइम पे मुझे कुछ अलग करना है, अपने आप को साबित करना है. I don't want to do what other people expect of me. इसीलिए मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया. I first worked with the Ford Foundation. सबसे पहले I was adamant कि मुझे अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करनी है. You wrote in the video that I followed in the footsteps of my father and my grandfather. वो भी Balliol College गए थे, Oxford गए थे. But if you asked Abba कि college में what did you study, he would say cricket, because that's what he did. He didn't do any exams. He played cricket. And in that time, that was okay. Now the world has become very academic, very competitive. So I studied modern history, and he was very proud when I got into Balliol. So after I studied, I felt, now what should I do with my life? So I tried. At that point, as the youngest child of this big family, I wanted very much to make my father proud. I loved looking in his face and seeing that he was proud that I went to Oxford, and I thought, Abhi, what should I do? And I knew that deep down he wanted me to be a banker. He understood banking, कि आप 5 साल काम करो, promotion मिलता है, उसके बाद गाड़ी मिलती है, then you get a house, then you get married, then you settle down. And like any caring parent, you want to see your children well settled in life. And acting is not the most stable profession. So I don't think he was very keen that I become an actor. And therefore, my natural instinct was also, okay, I want to make Abba proud. So I joined Citibank. And I worked there for, I will tell you exactly how long, for 16 months and I think 3 weeks and, 2 days and 5 hours or something. But I remember that I was not very happy. There are lots of people who enjoy banking. If it excites you, then that's wonderful. But if you find that you are in a job that you are not enjoying, and that every day becomes routine and boring, and when you wake up in the morning, you don't look forward to the day. I thought, why am I doing this job? And surely, no matter what I choose to do, my parents will be happy for me. And then I took the decision. I didn't tell my parents. I was in Mumbai, and I didn't tell them. I quit Citibank, and I actually was offered an Amol Palekar film, a beautiful story about a Rajasthani folk tale, and it was a movie called Paheli. But if you've seen Paheli, then you will realize that it is Rani Mukherjee in the movie and not me. Now what happened was that I understood that what happens in Bollywood is that you get offered movies, and then until you sign the contract and you go to work until the movie comes out, lots of things can change. So one day Amol Palekar ji called me and said कि अभी कुछ बदल गया है. We were going to launch 2 new people, but Shah Rukh Khan ji is doing a film. I got very excited. He said, नहीं बेटा, इसका मतलब है कि आप भी पिक्चर नहीं कर रहे हो. रानी मुखर्जी पिक्चर करने वाली है और आपके लिए कुछ और ढूंढेंगे. I thought कि अभी and I don't have a job and my parents don't know that I've quit my job. And I thought कि मुझे जो अभी rent भरना है वो इससे आएगा. What am I going to do? So I was staying in Lokhandwala at that time. So then I thought, now I have to get a proper job, I have to sign another film. And they do give you offers. When you are Sharmila Tagore's daughter or Saif Ali Khan's sister, कुछ लोग तो interest लेते हैं. They do want to launch you. and I will say कि आपको opportunities मिलते हैं, but to still continue, you have to have some talent. So there's a lot of debate on nepotism in these days, okay, whether it's easy for you or not.
The N word.
The N word. I've been working in this industry now for 14, 15 years. You know, there's no fear because I know that I have a solid education behind me. I know that there are always options. अगर कल वापस पता नहीं सिटी बैंक में नौकरी मिलेगी या नहीं, क्योंकि I've already said so much about them, but कहीं ना कहीं तो नौकरी मिल जाएगी. And I know that we've opened a production company now, you know, I have the confidence to have conversations with people. I keep getting invited to educational institutions like this today because of the fact that I made these choices. So my point is that you can never waste an education. And one of the questions that the media always ask me is that अगर आपको actress ही बनना था तो आपने इतनी पढ़ाई क्यों की? And that is a question that I find the most humorous and the most silly because, as I said, an education is not a means to a job. It is about having options and about being the best that you can be. And because I managed to work hard and I got into Oxford, that you can never take away from me. And I've always, you know, and I know that my parents also, my father had so much respect for me because of that. Everybody has their own strengths. I come from a very famous family. Backstage भी हम discuss कर रहे थे कि कौन किसका fan है, या तो कोई अब्बा के fan होते हैं या तो अम्मा के fan होते हैं. अब तो सब तैमूर के fan हैं. He's the biggest celebrity in the family. Yes, so all Katrina's fan, or Bhai's fan. Now Sarah's joining films. So everybody is a famous person. How do you make your peace with that? As someone in the family like that, how do you find your own identity? How do you not live in other people's shadows? This is something else that I've also struggled with. So the important thing is not always to be number one, is my feeling. हर कोई number one नहीं हो सकता है, हर कोई class topper नहीं हो सकता है, जैसे मैंने कहा. But that doesn't mean that you don't have a right to participate, to contribute, to be happy. And surely everyone in life wants to be happy. That's the number one thing.